Thanks for tuning in to DesignIY, and today we are going to demo what will be our future office. That means removing everything in the walls and discovering all of the problems that we're about to find out that we have. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Marcus here with DesignIY. You're watching another episode of my whole home solo renovation vlog. Today we're going to demo the office, or at least get started on it. Let's take a look. So as you know from the last episode that we released, I actually got a head start on removing the wall paneling. It was all MDF tongue and groove paneling, like a 2-foot by 4-foot panel. And I did that to get rid of the silverfish that were eating the wallpaper paste that was on top of it. Furthermore, I had to run some wires here for Comcast in order to hook up the internet, but it wasn't as simple as just pulling MDF panel off the wall. Unfortunately, the previous renovator decided to leave all the lath on the wall. They removed the plaster, which was nice, but we still had all the lath on the wall. And behind that lath, we had a bunch of blown-in insulation that was being held up by that lath, so that's probably why they left it. So basically, I have RG59 coming in from outside. And that needs to be updated to RG6. RG59's outdated for quite some years, quite a couple years. That cable comes in over here, and I've already removed all this lath, and it was all blown in insulation. Lots of it. That's what all those bags are. All that insulation. It was ridiculously dirty. I'll throw up a picture of what my arms looked like and what my mask looked like once I was done with all this stuff. So anyway, long-term goal is for this opening to be a doorway instead of windows, and right now our cable's coming in right there, so that won't work if it's a doorway. I need to move it over to this corner, and that's where it comes down in from the house anyway. So I got that bit of lath and insulation to remove, and then one stud pocket over here as well. I'm going to drill a hole through the bottom stud all the way across, and that's where we're going to run our new RG6 cable. And then it'll be run through the ceiling of the basement to our server room, which really isn't that far away because it's the first original house room here. You just have to go from that space all the way over into this closet. This will become our server closet. Alright, so now that we're all caught up, let's tune in to where I was filming removing the floor covering. Hey YouTube! I gotta apologize, I started the next project without you. I know, I seem to do that a lot, but I'm just kind of anxious to get started because I've been sick for 2 weeks and I haven't been able to do much, but long story short, the office is next. At least that's what I'm doing. The idea is to have this space transformed into an office so that I can set up my computer right here, and I'll have the SketchUp model and all the design already on the computer so I can run and check when I'm doing, like, say, the laundry room up here, hallway and into the kitchen, all of that. I'll have the computer here instead of having to run home to change something on the design or fight a cloud server to get it on my tablet. So anyway, I've been doing the demo, as you can see. This was kind of pieced together over the course of the last couple months, all this demo work. But today I've been tearing out the carpet here, and I found something rather interesting, which is what made me want to grab my camera and show you guys. It's not really interesting, it's just kind of like there's always something, right? So some of the tiles were coming up with the carpet because it was glued down, and unfortunately, especially in this area, we had a lot of the concrete come up with the tiles as well. And that's because you can see right there, we got a nice healthy crack right in the slab foundation. So because of all the concrete that came with it, you can clearly tell that there was quite a bit of moisture penetration right here in this crack. So I have no idea what a healthy slab looks like. I know this is not it successfully, and it's solid vinyl stuff, the stuff we're going to put down. so I don't think it'll hurt the floor. We just don't want mold growth and moisture underneath the floor. That'd be bad. We got half the carpet out of here. It's glued down to this tile. We'll call it cancer tile. Worst case scenario, just tear up all the tiles, do a concrete leveler, fix our issues, put down a waterproof membrane, and then we can floor right over it. After that, we're doing rough electrical. We got everything else to do. But just wanted to give you that general update. And we have an issue with the floor. I'm not happy about it. So that's it for this video, guys. Tune in next time. We're going to be tearing down the ceiling and getting into a lot of other things. No spoilers here. So subscribe if I've earned it. You don't even have to get out of full screen. Just click the bottom right hand corner when you see the logo appear in the outro. Drop me a like if you liked it or found it insightful in any way. Any comments or suggestions for future content, drop me a comment. I read all of them. Thanks guys again. Marcus, DesignIY. I'm signing out.